isn't it, but I want to try this cove. Okay. Although we got someone on that side, that's fine. We'll work this side over.
Just escaped me. Sarcastic. Oh.
You good one?
Yeah, I got one on. Probably should be flipping them on 6-pound cast. Oh, yep, I shouldn't have.
I'm off the hook.
Hopefully he's in the boat, huh? Took my bait.
Sarcastic. That's the word I was thinking. And that's pretty pathetic since sarcastic is a very common word. You know, sometimes you just have these brain fogs, man.
I do.
Carp. Holy crap.
A lot of carp.
Everywhere.
Little suckers. They're frustrating. They keep getting my tail and they'll swim off with it. And then I go to give them the hook in there. Gone. Solid gold. Solid gold hubcaps. There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Was that a fish?
Ow!
Yeah, see?
Dad, come it.
Oh, yeah.
Pull my skirt down.
There we go. Man, there's a big one below the boat. You gotta finesse these suckers, and they gotta be 100 miles away from them when you do it.
Yeah, because they're really timid. Oh, throw me
Coat goes under the console.
Just shove it in the live well?
Under the console. Right? Oh, that's right. You're putting it away.
Live well, maybe a little bit wet. I think there's some water in the bottom of it.
Check it before I put anything in it. Because I'm going to throw my coat in there too. Where's those pliers, Wes?
Right there.
Where?
Right here. Oh. While it was just sitting there?
Yeah, I was switching my coat, and all of a sudden I saw my rod dance.
No, it's because you got life jackets in there, Johnny, so it's all dry. I was going to put all our coats on top
Wow,
of it.
big fish of the day.
That's the same, I think that might be the same fish, the second one I caught. He's a little baby.
Little buck.
Is that too shallow?
Maybe. Maybe for what we're doing.
There we go.
That's a big shadow.
Oh my gosh, no, that's the little one of the day.
How did he get it?
I don't know.
Well, it's hooked in his body.
Well,
Why
no,
did
it
he
hooked
even
in his
go
body
for it?
once he flipped out of the water. Yeah, the body hook was after he came out of the water.
He was ambitious.
Well, look, I've got him snagged and hooked already for pike fishing. That's how they fish for pike. They hook the
He's already rigged.
Yeah, look at that, Johnny. I mean, seriously.
Yeah, he was. big shadow of the day.
Yeah. Got him? Oh, you're
Snagged.
snagged. Dang it. That sucks.
There we go.
The frustrating thing is at about 2 o'clock, the
see
wind
that
started
water.
picking up and we actually caught a bunch of bass on spinnerbaits and crankbaits, but we didn't have that on film because my GoPro died at about 1:30. So sorry guys, that's all I got to share with you today.